I wanted to show you this woodpecker whirligig I'm working on. I got this mechanism. I think I got it going. This is made out of locust wood, and so is this piece here. It's been through a fire. We had a pretty good fire a couple of years ago. So I'll show you what it looks like in here. I had to hollow it out pretty good. I got it hollowed out pretty good. I may have to do even more. Here's the head. This is a piece of walnut. Get good light on there. Check out that eye. I like that eye. So I think that's going to look good painted. You can see I just got an eyelet right there. Just in here like that. Thing like that. I'm not sure if that's going to work. It's a little far away. I got another one to try too if that doesn't work. A little bit closer together. But it's gonna look something like that. And I'm gonna try to attach it at the bottom and with a dowel, I think. And then I'll have to, I might try to use dowels here too. This locust wood, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. This locust wood, the pioneers around here planted a lot of it because it's really rot resistant. It takes a lot to make it rot. So they like to use it for fence posts. I like this because it has a lot of character to it. So, all right. So I just got to connect this to there and hook up the linkage, and we should be good to go. I think I'll gouge a hole in here too for the beak to, so it looks like he's already been working a while. So that's gonna be fun. All right, friends. Thanks for stopping by. Oh, I cracked myself up. I hope everybody's safe and well. Take care, friends. We'll see you down the trail. Bye now.
I'll do it with my eyes closed. Gonna make you sing.